What's up, friends? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your broken gentoo system. You need to have a live media that you boot into on your broken computer, broken gentoo system, which is on your broken computer. I'm gonna do this on true hardware, on real hardware. It's not a virtual machine. I have some problems with my machine, so I'm gonna try to do this and record it for you in case you needed it. I have prepared the live media. It doesn't need to be gentoo in particular, but in my case it's gentoo. I have prepared the SSH connection into it, and I connected into it. I have done a video. I'll put it in the description in case you needed to. So follow me with the steps. I hope they will be easy enough for you, and I make them simple for you. So we need to make a directory where we're gonna mount the broken installation. In my case I have SDB for the root partition and SDB5 for the home partition. So in such case we need to mount them. I have to be just to be clear, I have this wiki which I'm gonna follow, and if it is not clear enough, the steps that I'm gonna do will hopefully clarify things for you. So we mount our /dev/sdb4 into mnt gentoo. Okay, next thing is we mount our home partition in /mnt/gentoo/home in case you have a separate one. In my case I do. Next thing is we make a directory if we want in mnt gentoo home rescue. It should be like that. I have done this. It says you cannot create this directory since it exists. I have run this command in order to make you run it. So run it the way it is. The next thing is we need to change directory into mnt gentoo home rescue, and then we need to take a stage 3 tarball and download it and put it there. I mean untar it or decompress it in /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue, just like it says here. Okay, so next step is we take the stage 3 tarball, download it in the folder that we are in already, which is /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue. It can be something else. It's just a rescue directory where you're gonna mount some of your system directories in order to build the broken packages in case you have some. The choice of the stage 3 tarball depends on your profile. Try to remember which one. In my case it's OpenRC split USR. I don't know if you can, or I will try to mount the system partitions and mount points, and I'm gonna show you how to find the profile. In my case I'm still on the live media, that's why I cannot do it. So the next thing is you download the stage 3 tarball, which should necessarily match with your profile. In my case it's OpenRC split USR. You download it here, paste the link, enter. The download is done. The next thing is you untar the, here I have an old download of the stage 3 since I tried this method before and and I rebuilt some of the broken packages, but I still have a broken package that I need to rebuild. That's why I'm gonna execute this method again. So the next thing is you untar the stage 3 just like you untar it or you decompress it when you install Gentoo. And for such thing we need to go to the handbook, and in case we forgot how to do it, like me. Let me just install the, let me remember what this was. Yes, this is the command. You can pause the video, type it, and then come back. Press enter once you are ready. I'm ready, so I'm gonna press enter now. So this page of the wiki says that we mount the broken install at /mnt/gentoo. We did that, I guess, at least for me. I've done all of this as you've seen, and then we mount dev and friends in /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue, just as if doing a new install, but do not root yet. We do not root yet already. When running these commands we need to be very careful, since any mistake can cause us to need to restart the computer. So /home/rescue/proc. Home, rescue, proc, like this. Yes. The next command is for sys, like this. Home, rescue, sys, system. Next one is similar to the first one, like this. Home, rescue, sys. Next one is like this. Home, rescue, what was it? Dev. Okay, and then again for dev but different argument. Home, rescue, dev. We're good to go so far. Next one, home, rescue, run. And then the next one is gonna be home, rescue, run, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Pause the video, make sure your commands are exactly the same as me, in case you have chosen your rescue path to be /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue. Otherwise make sure it's the same. If you run a command wrongly, you may need to restart the computer and boot into the live media and re-execute these commands, since the tar will be there, the place where it was decompressed, it is gonna be there, and you need simply to re-execute these commands. The next command should be this one. This command, like this. Pause and execute it, please. I'm gonna execute it. Yes. Next one is this. I will show you again the command. This one, pause and execute it. And then the next command is this one. Pause and execute it. And then we copy our /mnt/gentoo/etc/portage2/mnt/home/rescue/etc/portage, like this. No, we don't care about auto unmask. Yes, 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 Y for yes and for no. This confirms about overwriting it. Okay, I'm gonna clear out the screen, and then we go to the next one. Follow this one. It says that we need to root into the rescue install. This is gonna be rooting into /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue. So we do root /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue bin bash. If I got it right, let's check our yeah, it should be instead of /mnt/gentoo /mnt/gentoo/home/rescue. Enter. Okay, and we see again what we have. Okay, we go to /etc/portage/make.conf. Let's run first /etc/profile like this. If you want to check what is your profile, again you select profile, list. It may point to the wrong one. In my case it took me to /default/linux, this one split USR, but for me it should be split USR stable, which is number not stable, but /split USR/hardened/SE Linux. It doesn't necessarily need to be the same. You select profile set 59. This will help your system determine or define what packages that need to be installed. So this is not needed. Don't run this command yet. In my case, I'm gonna make sure the profile is selected correctly, and then the routing is done correctly. We should go to /etc/portage make.conf, and then we should add bin build package. So we run we add features equals, paste this like this, enter. We check, save and exit. We run, for example, the wiki says we should try with sed since it's a small package. I believe I may run into an error that is due to the wrong DNS configurations that need to be copied over to, yeah, press Y here. So after running these commands, and for me I emerged sed like the wiki says, in order to check if the merge command works well. And then after you rebuild the packages that are broken on your system, in my case I guess it's dbus, you run this command in order to rebuild it. If it's dbus, it's dbus. If it's any other package, you simply rebuild it like this. You let it rebuild, and then you run the command that I'm gonna show you shortly. After building the package, the only remaining thing you need to do is to run the command emerge dash uppercase K, and then the package name. This should be done on the broken system. So let me find out how it should be exactly. So you need to root into your broken system. Let me do it. Exit here. Root slash mnt/gentoo bin bash. Okay, source /etc/profile, and then the command should be emerge k sys apps, or the package of your choice, the one that was broken already, and run it like this. Okay, let's exit arch chroot, since you can run arch chroot on Gentoo's live media. Otherwise you need to run those commands but on mnt gentoo. And then let's run the command again. This doesn't necessarily need to be the same in your case. This is just the package that needs to be rebuilt in order to repair your Gentoo system. This is the hardest part, to define which packages need to be rebuilt on your system. You need to be aware of it. You need to be aware of which packages are broken on your system. You can watch it very well, and whenever there is a package that you feel like it's broken, you can simply execute the same steps or do the same steps I have done in order to run or in order to repair your system. In my case it's dbus. Dbus is a system package, as I guess, and some of the other packages depend on it. It can be more, it can be something different in your case. Each of us has his own broken packages, and these were the way you repair your broken Gentoo system. Just to clarify something, sometimes the packages that need to be rebuilt aren't the same as this. Like for example, for portage, it is not the same as this. You cannot simply rebuild it with your emerge command. Let me show you which one is for portage. And for GCC also, you need to, yeah, this is for portage. If your portage is broken, you should run these commands. If you wanna repair GCC, the page GCC upgrade for Gentoo is the one that was pointed to in this page, as I guess, but I do not remember where exactly. Just to be very fast in this video and to help you save some of your time, this is the way you repair GCC. It's the same way as upgrading it. For portage, this is the way. Okay, we may make a future video about it. Otherwise, in case you have any of your packages broken, I can reboot the system. Exit first and then reboot. Any of your packages is broken, this is the way you do it, except for portage and GCC. It's something different, as you can see in these pages. Okay, that's it, I guess, for this video. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're interested in similar content, consider subscribing. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below if you want to say anything. Thank you for watching, and peace.